will be held on the 23rd October, November. Na? You
Yes,
are
sir.
with me?
Yes, sir,
23rd.
November.
So, okay, note down your syllabus. Syllabus I will send on the WhatsApp group also and listen your syllabus. For a weekly test, your syllabus is from Geography chapter 4 climate chapter from Geography, and Political Science chapter 4 electoral politics. If in a proper order is not given in your book, so that's why I am also mentioning the chapter name. So Geography climate chapter, Political Science electoral politics, from history chapter 3 Nazim's Hitler wala chapter, or economics we have completed two chapter or both chapter we have given in your PT2. So no one chapter from economics. So I am repeating your syllabus. Geography climate chapter, from history chapter 3 Hitler या Nazis, and from political science electoral politics, okay. So we'll post the syllabus on WhatsApp group also. So those students who are unable to join the Zoom meeting, they may be update themselves. So dear student, let's start the chapter. So yesterday we have discussed the basic concept of this chapter, natural vegetation and wildlife. So what are the important things in this chapter? We'll discuss about the natural vegetation. So in class 7th or in previous classes, we have discussed the natural vegetation. So we have discussed only the features of characteristics of the natural vegetation, ki like what are the evergreen forest, such forest all year green and receive the heavy rainfall. But in class 9th, we'll discuss in deep part. Okay, deep part means what? Ki what is the percentage of the particular forest found in India? 10%, 12, 4%, whatever. And we'll discuss rainfall also, कि such forests are found the rainfall between the 100 and 200 centimeter. This 2 point in each forest. First one is the, we'll discuss about the rainfall also, कि what rainfall required, what are the characteristics of this forest, okay, percentage. We'll discuss in this chapter कि what type of plants are found in that area, like a tropical evergreen forest है, तो 3 or 4 plant you must be know about it. What are the wildlife are found, wildlife you must be know, okay. 2 or 3 wildlife means the animal name we must be know about it. And last one is the area or region in which area such type of forest are found. So if you make the notes like this, कि tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn bushes, okay. So you can make the notes. First column you will write the name of forest. In second column you can make the rainfall, climate, okay. Percentage, whatever percentage, like a 10% or whatever. Next column you can make the flora. Sorry, flora means the what are the flora means plants. Fauna means the wildlife. Name 2 or 3, or region or area in which states of India such type of forest are found, in which climatic condition. So it will be easy for us to learn this chapter. So let's start. Yesterday we have discussed about the what are the natural vegetations. कि natural vegetations क्या होती है, तो 3 broad categories of natural vegetation we have discussed yesterday. First one is the forest, grassland, and thorny bushes or maybe the shrubs. Or later on we have discussed what are the different factors which affect the natural vegetation. So different factors like those affect the natural vegetations are sunlight, just a wait. Sunlight है, okay. Photo period है. Sunlight also known as the photo period means the what duration or maybe the quantity of sunlight comes on the that particular area. We have discussed about the precipitations also affected. The quality of relief means the soil and the particular areas, what type of soil and land also we have discussed yesterday. So these are the different factors, 4 or 5 factors which affect the temperature also affect, moisture also affect the natural vegetations or natural vegetation growth. So which type of land are found like a desert है, anyone plateau area है, sunlight ज़्यादा है, rainfall heavy है, तो which type of forest are found? तो climatic condition, sunlight, temperature, relief, all are affected the this natural vegetation. So today we will discuss about first when we start the chapter. So version means there are two types of the vegetations are found in India. There are two categories. First one is the endemic or second one exotic. So endemic means the such vegetations are found inside the country. यानी such vegetations are originated from the country जो country के अंदर ही grow हुई है. So these are known as the endemic. Okay. Such vegetations are known as the endemic or exotic means the such vegetations are found in other nations, other countries, abroad, out. So these are the two categories of natural vegetation on the basis of the version. Endemic, such vegetations are found inside the country. Second one is the found in other nations. So these are the simple word, two words. Next topic आता है importance of forest. So you know very well from the beginning of the fifth class we have studied about it. कि what are the importance of forest? Forests are important for us like we use the forest product. There are many industries are depend on the forest. Like for the timber, we depend on the forest. For medicines, we depend on the forest. Forest also maintain the ecosystem. Okay, balance the environment. So there are lot of use of the importance of forest. So you can mention the 4 to 5 points. All are simple. So these are the importance of forest like medicines we are getting from the forest. Forest also source of the timber और valuable product या valuable woods जो भी मिलता है like a sandalwood or like this. And forest also balance the ecosystem, maintain the environment. We receive the, if there is the forest, so we receive the rainfall through the forest like this. So these are the importance of the forest. Another one is the change in natural vegetation in India. So what are the different factors which are responsible for change in natural vegetation? In natural vegetation में जो changes आ रहा है, changes means the in their growth. Earlier time forest are were found in particular area, but today there is no such forest. So why this is going on? What are the causes? Yeah, what are the causes which affect the change in natural vegetation? So these are very simple causes. First one is the deforestation. Deforestation also affect the natural vegetation. Why deforestation? You know, day by day populations are increasing. So we need more and more area or space to settle our populations. First reason we can write. You can write any 4 to 5 reasons. जैसे first reason हो गया population to related. Second हो गया there are many industries that we want to set up in such area where the raw material are available. So mostly mines or such area mines are found in close to the forest or when they set up the industry तो forest clear करना पड़ता है पूरा. Okay. Due to the demand of the settlement for deforestation होता है. Today, by we are modifying the environment by polluting the environment, it also affect the forest. So 3 to 4 causes we can write ki what are the different factors या causes those change the natural vegetation. So these are the 2 or 3 points we have discussed. If you have any doubt, you may be asked. Later on, we will start the main point of this chapter. Ki what are the tropical evergreen forest? We will start the main forest areas which vegetations are found in India. Sir, once explain the mangrove forest. Okay. So today we will discuss about the main forest types of vegetation in India. अब टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेशन अर्लियर आई हैव अनाउंस कि हाउ टू वी कैन लर्न कि फर्स्ट जैसे ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट है तो यू विल मेक द नोट्स ऑन द ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट एंड आई आल्सो सेंड द नोट्स ऑन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. तो it is easy to learn when you make the table. अब how do you make the table? You can make the table by dividing the different forest. So what are the important things are required during the answer? कि suppose when you are writing the tropical evergreen forest, so you must be write the area in which area it extend फैला हुआ है. Second point, rainfall, climatic condition means the temperature is not a compulsory but mention the rainfall. Second point. Third, in which areas such forests are found? State name important है. What type of plants are found? 2 or 3 plants examples you must be right. Fifth one is the what type of wildlife are found in that area. तो अगर आप किसी भी फॉरेस्ट में if you are writing the 5 point, no single marks or 0.5 marks may be cut by any examiner or anyone. So these are the main things when you explain any forest, so you must be learn like in such pattern. आपको जो you know when you learn the answer, so you must be learn in such pattern कि make the 5 point only. First one is the area means the in percent, not in a state. Okay, percent. Second one rainfall. Third one in which state such forest are extend or maybe फैला हुआ है. Fourth one, what type of 2 or 3 name of the plant, or fifth one is the what type of wildlife are found in that area. Okay, so first let's start the tropical evergreen forest. अब you know definition, you know when you in class 9, if you are writing the tropical evergreen forest always are green. If you are writing for class 9, the tropical evergreen forest always green, it is located on tropical area, so it is mentioned through the name. Beta ये तो name से mention है. In class 6, if anyone student is writing the such answer, तो we can understood. Okay, हम समझ सकते हैं कि tropical और evergreen वो लिखा है. But in class 9, such answers are not required. कि this forest is known as the tropical evergreen. This always green. They never shed their leaves in any season. So these are not. It is clear through their name. Okay. So what type of answer you will write? How do you will write the answer? I have mentioned earlier. Or tropical evergreen forests are cover the 12% area of our country. So it cover the 12% area of our country. Tropical evergreen forest. And it all the rainfall. Rainfall कितनी होनी चाहिए? 200 centimeter more than. So if your concept are clear कि which area receives the 200 more than centimeter rainfall in our India, so simply you know eastern part of India receives the that rainfall. So tropical evergreen forest are found in the eastern part of India. So write the 4 to 5 states name like Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, some part of the Kerala. So such type of Tamil Nadu, Odisha, क्योंकि तमिलनाडु ओडिशा also receive the rainfall through the retreating monsoon. तो if your concept is clear, तो you may be write the answer. आप simply answer बना सकते हो. केवल आपको 2 पॉइंट लर्न करने हैं. First 12% and 200 centimeter rainfall for the tropical evergreen forest. Okay. Area ओडिशा receive the rainfall through the retreating monsoon. Okay, जो अक्टूबर नवंबर में monsoon रिटर्न होता है. ओडिशा, तमिलनाडु, आसाम, मेघालय, मणिपुर, these are the states. Okay, तो western slopes also. अब इसका you know first 12% area it extend and rainfall 200 centimeter. Okay, अब region, in which regions such forests are found. तो region होगा कि western, when we discuss the chapter for climate earlier, तो we have discussed कि वेस्टर्न घाट्स आल्सो रिसीव द रेनफॉल. तो वेस्टर्न घाट्स रिसीव द हेवी रेनफॉल एंड रेन शेडो एरिया बनता है इन ईस्टर्न साइड इन महाराष्ट्र. तो वेस्टर्न घाट्स में भी इस टाइप का फॉरेस्ट मिलेगा. तो रीजन और वेयर इज फाउंड वेस्टर्न स्लोप्स, वेस्टर्न घाट्स वी कैन से, यू कैन राइट वेस्टर्न घाट्स. बोथ ग्रुप्स ऑफ द लक्षद्वीप एंड अंडमान, ये बोथ आर द आइलैंड ग्रुप व्हिच रिसीव द रेनफॉल. तो इट फाउंड ऑन द आइलैंड मींस द लक्षद्वीप, is the अंडमान निकोबार, और डेट से लक्षद्वीप, लक्षद्वीप में मिलता है. Another one is the upper part of Assam or Odisha and Tamil Nadu. So these are the area where the tropical evergreen forest found. What are the characteristics of this forest? So as this warm temperature are found in that area, heavy rainfall होगा, it means the moisture ज़्यादा होगा, तो heavy moisture are found in this area. They always green, they never shed their leaves. Okay, so these are the characteristics of this forest. And what type of the flora means the plant, and fauna means the wildlife found. So you can learn two or three name. So two or three name में you can rosewood, ये प्लांट मिलता है यहाँ पे, रबर मिलेगा अगर हेवी रेनफॉल होगा. ओके, mahogany and ebony. So these are the plant. Ebony है, rubber है, rosewood है. So these are the two or three plant you can learn. Or what type of the wildlife are found in this area? So in this area are found the monkey, lemur, monkey मिलते हैं mostly in this area, deer मिलते हैं. तो these are the characteristics of the tropical evergreen forest. So dear student, I have explained the evergreen forest. So first right, it found 12% of area is located in India. 12% area covered by 12% area covered by the tropical evergreen forest. Second character, second point you can write is where the 200 centimeter rainfall or the 200 centimeter rainfall ratio, such forests are found. Second category. Third, what are the occurrence or in which regions these are found? So 4 to 5 state name you may be right. Western Ghat, okay, or Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, upper part of Assam. Okay, these are the area. These are found. Characteristics you may be right. Always green, heavy moisture are found. This area receive the heavy rainfall. Sunlight can't approach till the ground level. ग्राउंड लेवल तक सनलाइट नहीं आ सकती. क्यों नहीं आ सकती? बिकॉज सच फॉरेस्ट आर टू मच डेंस, बहुत ज्यादा डेंस होता है. तो ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हो जाएगी. और व्हाट टाइप ऑफ द वेजिटेशन और प्लांट नेम यू मे बी राइट. एबोनी है, रबर है, रोजवुड है. तो दिस आर टू और थ्री प्लांट. और मंकी, डियर एंड लेमूर. तो दिस आर द और बर्ड्स यू मे बी राइट the such thing. So this is the way to learn the forest. So today we have discussed the tropical evergreen forest. In such manner, you also prepare yourself about the another forest. Okay. Now see the next one, tropical deciduous forest. A meaning of that forest. Deciduous means the such forest shed their leaves in particular season. Why they shed their leaves? क्यों पत्ते गिराते हैं अपने? टू कंजर्व द वाटर, वाटर को कंजर्व करने के लिए. क्योंकि वाटर कंजर्व करना पड़ता है, इसलिए प्रिसिपिटेशन ज्यादा नहीं हो, तो दे सेड दे लीव्स इन पर्टिकुलर सीजन. और सब फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन ट्रॉपिकल एरिया. और व्हिच इज द ट्रॉपिकल एरिया? यस्टरडे आई विल एक्सप्लेन. क्योंकि मैंने बेसिक कंसेप्ट पहले क्लियर कर दिया था कि व्हिच एरिया वी कैन से द ट्रॉपिकल. 0 to 23 बोथ साइड, these are known as the tropical area. So tropical deciduous forest cover up the India's 64% area. 64% area जो इंडिया का, उसको कौन सा फॉरेस्ट मिलता है? ट्रॉपिकल. और where it found, which area receive the rainfall from the 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter. जिस एरिया में 200 से 70 to 200 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल रेशियो होती है. तो क्लाइमेट चैप्टर स्टडी किया होगा तो यू में भी लर्न दिस थिंग कि 270 to 200 सेंटीमीटर जिस एरिया में रेनफॉल होती है, तो दैट इज नोन एज द ट्रॉपिकल deciduous forest that cover the 64% area of the our country. On the basis of their availability is divided, which the where it available or not. तो on the basis of it is divided into two part. एक तो होता है जहाँ पे ज्यादा मॉइस्चर होगा, 200 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल है. एक 70 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल है तो मॉइस्चर नहीं होगा. तो वन इज द मॉइस्चर एरिया और ड्राई एरिया. तो टू टाइप्स का फॉरेस्ट हो गया. इसमें भी टू कैटेगरी हो जाएगी. ओके, रेस्ट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट विल डिस्कस द लेटर ऑन. One is the moisture deciduous forest, MOIST, ST. ओके, मॉइस्चर मतलब नमी। ओके, वन इज द ट्रॉपिकल मॉइस्चर डेसिडस फॉरेस्ट, जहाँ पे मॉइस्चर होता है, एक ये हो गया। अनदर वन इज द ट्रॉपिकल ड्राई डेसिडस फॉरेस्ट। ड्राई मतलब जैसे कि जो एरिया जहाँ पे मॉइस्चर बहुत कम होता है। तो दिस आर द टू कैटेगरीज ऑफ दिस फॉरेस्ट। ओके, मॉइस्चर। और वेयर इज द मॉइस्चर फॉरेस्ट फाउंड? सिंपल, यू कैन मेक द नोट। 100 to 200 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल जहाँ होगी वहां पे मिलेगा मॉइस्चर डेसिडस फॉरेस्ट। 100 to 200 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल। तो विच टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड? मॉइस्चर। और दिस कवर द 34%। आउट ऑफ 64 में से 34% कौन कवर अप करता है? मॉइस्चर डेसिडस फॉरेस्ट। तो दिस आर द फॉरेस्ट फाउंड इन द ओडिशा, Chhattisgarh, some part of the low part of Himalaya, Western Ghats, or example of sandalwood, okay, Khere, Arjun, these are the sisam है। तो these are the example of such plant, okay, किसके? Moisture deciduous forest, sisam है, okay, Arjun plant है, and in this kher जो मिलता है, एंड सैंडलवुड है, साल है, बेम्बू है। तो दिस आर द एग्जांपल 4 to 5 प्लांट। दिस आर नोन एज द मॉइस्चर डेसिडस फॉरेस्ट। नेक्स्ट वन इज द ड्राई डेसिडस। जो ड्राई डेसिडस होता है 70 to 100 सेंटीमीटर जहां रेनफॉल होती है। तो ये भी लर्न करना। ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडस आर टू टाइप्स। ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडस टू टाइप्स है ऑन द कैटेगरी ऑफ द मॉइस्चर। First is the moisture deciduous forest are found those areas receive the 100 to 200 centimeter rainfall or it cover 34%, means it found on the 34% area. Plants name are the Arjun है, Sisam है, Bamboos है। तो like these are the plant name here है, Kusum। And dry deciduous are found in the UP, Deccan Plateau, BR, some part of the BR, Deccan Plateau, UP part. So such type of forest are found in this area. And what are the teak, sal, people? So these are the examples: sal, people, teak. So these are the example of the such plant. These are the plant which found in that area. तो दिस इज नोन एज द ड्राई डेसिडस। व्हाट टाइप ऑफ द? इसमें एलिफेंट्स मिलते हैं ड्राई में। एलिफेंट्स आर फाउंड, लिजार्ड्स, स्नेक। तो ये आप इसमें लर्न कर सकते हो। तो डियर स्टूडेंट, टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड टू कैटेगरीज ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट। इन सच मैनर यू मे बी लर्न द ऑल कैटेगरीज ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट। आज मैं टू ही करा रहा हूँ क्योंकि इट विल बी डाइजेस्टेबल फॉर द स्टूडेंट। एक साथ हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे तो इट विल बी ओवरलैपिंग इन माइंड। ओके, ओवरलैपिंग हो जाएंगे कि विचार। तो टुडे आई होप आई विल सेंड द नोट्स ऑफ द बोथ फॉरेस्ट और नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, और इट विल बी हेल्प टू मेक द नोट्स। ओके डियर, तो इफ यू एनी डाउट और यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग, एनी क्वेरीज, यू मे बी आस्क।